Summer Chickpea Salad, fresh, creamy, and full of summer flavors, and with homemade dressing too. Like, subscribe, and click the bell. I'm Mika. Ready? Cover the chickpeas with 3 inches of water. Add 1 tablespoon of kosher salt and stir. Soak overnight. Mix the dry spices together. In a blender, put the half cup cottage cheese, 1/4 cup sour cream, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, half cup evaporated milk, 1 tablespoon brown mustard, 1 slightly heaping tablespoon of the mixed spices, and blend until smooth. Push down the sides. Add the mayonnaise and blend until creamy. Set aside. As you cut the veggies, place them in a single large bowl. Dice 1/3 cup each of yellow, green, and red bell peppers. Finally, dice 1/3 cup yellow onion. Then, dice 1 stalk of celery and 1/3 cup each of zucchini, yellow squash, and cucumber. Next, dice 1 cup each of green cabbage and iceberg lettuce. Toss the veggies together in a bowl. The aroma is so fresh, my favorite part of making this recipe. Drain the soaked beans in a 3-quart pan over high heat. Bring 4 cups of chicken stock to a boil. Lower heat to simmer. Add the bay leaf and all the remaining seasoning mix and the chickpeas. They will be infused with the rich flavor as they cook, about 40 to 50 minutes. Check for doneness. A nice al dente is best. Who want mushy bean salad? Drain the bean, but do not rinse them. Allow them to cool. When cool, in a large bowl mix together the cooked beans and the vegetables. Add the dressing. Make sure to get every last tasty drop. Mix until the beans and the veggies are covered with the dressing. Serve in a favorite bowl for the table with a few cracks of fresh black pepper or half cup individual servings as a side with your meal. This recipe is a rich, creamy delight, summer perfection. I hope you make it soon, and thanks for watching my video.